Ross. Stranger Things. You have any like video games, comic books?
I got video games. I've got
Games for it? Oh, cool. What are you asking for it? Morning. Good, how are you?
Where it is a sleep shirt, though. It's not halfway there. Oh, that's bueno, pero maybe I'll get it because you just can hold on to it. Ah, you know what? You can just hang it on the wall.
Pig. $1.50.
He's my favorite.
You don't have them?
Sonic. That's cool, beanbag. Keep an eye out for Disney annual pass magnets. You get these if you're an annual pass holder. You actually put them on your car. There's about 1,000 listed and about 850 are sold right now in the last 90 days. So it has a great sell-through rate. They wanted $1 for this entire bag. So I should at least get anywhere from 15 to 25 bucks for this whole bag.
That's all you got with all that looking? That's all
Still
you found?
looking. Is it for the bag or is it $1 each?
No, it's $1 for the bag.
Oh, for the bag. Okay. Yeah, I'll take that. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
I like all the Disney stuff you had. That's why I'm just looking to see what I... Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Morning.
Hi.
We're not keeping Bob Ross, are we? Yeah, that's Bob Ross.
Bob Ross.
No, that's not Ross. The Bob Ross Bobblehead. We're going to where Bob Ross goes. We're going to stick on Bob Ross. I know who he is.
Who's that? Bob Ross.
Extremely collectible.
Oh, yeah.
For $3, sure.
You can't beat Bob Ross. I actually spent $18 for him.
Yeah.
But, well, I was starting to collect those things, and then I decided.
Would you have, like, bobbleheads?
Yeah.
You have
I
more?
have a bunch. I have more. I just don't know where they are. I put them up in my thing, so
Oh,
if
gotcha.
I ever find them, I'll get them down. I have a bunch. I have a bunch from Buffalo.
All right, you have a good day.
Sorry, you like change?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, yeah. Oh man, who's busting open some wax?
Huh?
Busting open what here?
Yeah.
What'd you get? How'd you do?
It was for a break.
Oh, for a break?
Yeah,
You do breaks?
Yeah.
Awesome, man.
Yeah, I've been doing it since 2019.
What do you doing on eBay?
Facebook.
Facebook?
Kind of like a dying breed ever since like Whatnot and all that.
eBay cracked down on breaks. Can't do breaks anymore. You see
Really?
that?
I didn't even know.
Yeah, they just put it because they consider it gambling now, and they crack down on.
It's any day before Facebook does it too.
Yeah.
Usually Fanatics will have something to do with that. I'm sure
Yeah,
they'll get everybody shut down.
Because
they're going to start their own platform.
They already got it in works.
Yeah, I already keep seeing ads for it.
Yeah.
Order what you want for food. You want a bagel like by itself? We don't need to order. You want to ask Allison what you want?
Do you have any other video games? Or
No, that's it.
That's it.
We were moving and he already moved all the other ones.
Oh, gotcha.
Why'd you move?
I always use another one of those.
Yeah.
I come across so many things.
Because we needed it. We never played it again. So, one of those things.
Stranger Things.
Yeah, that was my one box of Flawless that I ever broke. The regular is too expensive.
Oh, they were real expensive. That's why when I saw that, I was
Well, I
like,
think collegiate, but that was 2020.
Yeah.
Pulled a Herbert out of that one.
did you?
Pulled some huge cards in the day.
What was your biggest pool?
Kyler Murray 101 out of Immaculate 2019.
Nice.
There was 2 Kyler Murrays in the case too. That was when we used to be able to do cases. You can't even fill a box.
You can't
now,
touch
let
that,
alone
yeah.
a case. Not at those prices. Not at $1,000 a box. I think we paid like $2 grand for the box.
Is that Andre Reed?
Yeah.
It's cool.
You want to? What did I put on there? 15. You can take
Yeah.
10.
That's cool. It's just cool. I loved Andre Reed growing up.
Sam Darnold's still down there. Too.
Yeah, well, it's gonna be down there for a while. So.
Couldn't even give them away.
No. What is this?
It's measuring cups. I think it opens up, and it's got measuring cups and spoons in it. I
Oh, this.
believe.
Where's it? I don't want
Pops
to.
off. I
How's it?
don't remember how it opens.
Does it flip up?
I think
Push up?
something. That's it.
I don't want to break it.
Yeah.
Because if I break it, then I buy it.
Oh yeah, because that's. Oh, it's just bowls.
Oh, it's bowls. Okay.
I don't.
Interesting.
I had one that was measuring cups. By the way, I never opened it, and I can't get it closed.
I'll take these here.
Okay.
91 cents.
Got 2. I love the money box.
I
National
should have put it
treasure.
in the Flawless briefcase.
Yeah, you should have had in the briefcase, man.
I'm like, oh, I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna use it. I'm like, no, I'm getting rid of it.
All right, you guys have a good day.
Bud, have a good one.
Been busy so far?
Not really.
No. So hot out.
Yeah.
What an interesting game.
First team to 11 points wins.
Morning. Good, how are you? Jeez. How much you asking on the jerseys?
25.
25.
The Super Bowl one is 50.
50.
Those are the only things you won't want to go down on. $2.
I got VHS. The ring. Final Destination. You guys horror movie fans?
I collected those growing up as a teenager. So.
I collect them now as a grown adult. Yeah. There's a lot of horror movies on VHS.
Like, no one's looking and no one is gonna buy. Well, I'll put them out. But yeah.
Do you have any more? Or is this it?
That's all. That's all of our. And our VHS player went last weekend. We had a VHS player, and that went last weekend. So now, if I were to watch any of these, it's usually so.
Didn't think you were gonna sell them, did you?
Yeah, really. I didn't.
I'm a huge horror movie fan, so anytime I see VHS horror movies when I'm out and about, I always pick them up if they're cheap. Horror movies do sell great. Even the ones that aren't worth much, like these ones, will still sell for about 15 bucks in a lot.
You know.
Was it busy last weekend when you guys got rained out?
Yeah, I think it's pretty good. I mean, it was rain. Everyone just kind of shuffled into the garage.
Yeah. All right, I'll buy. Take those.
Okay.
So you're $4.
Yep. Thank you.
Yep. This garage sale had a lot of bootleg jerseys and replica rings, so let me give you some tips to look out for. Now, when it comes to this jersey, if you can see right here, there's some actually loose strings on there. Okay, these jerseys should not have any loose strings on them at all. It's a brand new jersey. Okay, so one thing you always want to look at is the stitching. That's the first red flag on these. But wait till you see this next jersey, and you can actually see it. We're going to zoom in and take a look at this. Keep in mind, they spend millions of dollars on machinery, but look how crooked this stitching is on there. That's a dead giveaway. This is fake.
Take a look around. I was supposed to have several other people here.
Oh, okay.
Apparently it didn't work out that way.
It always happens like that.
Yeah. There's more stuff inside.
Okay.
And I'm bringing more stuff out, just like I said, I'm on
Gotcha.
the road.
What do you got for the Star Wars stuff over here?
What do you got?
Like these?
I tell you what, I'll give them about both of them for, you want one or both of them? 30 bucks for both? Or actually they were 7, I tell you what. I don't know that I paid 7 for those.
Yeah, looks like they were on
I got them on
discount.
clearance, yeah.
Yeah. You buy a lot of clearance stuff?
I buy and sell storage units.
Oh, do you?
Here.
Oh,
well,
oh.
I used to. I don't do it so much
Gotcha.
anymore. Yeah, I tell you what. I'll give you both of those for 20 if you want them.
Let me keep looking. See what else you got here.
Sure, man.
You say there's more stuff inside?
Yep. Go on in. Look around.
Yeah, all your toys have their price tags on, so you might want to take
Good
those
to
off.
know. Yeah. Please.
Oh, not in there. Oh, I'm sorry.
You don't want to go in.
Oh, where
Inside,
inside here? Okay. Oh, in here. Gotcha. Oh, you have a whole setup in here.
Oh yeah. I should open this up a little bit.
Gotcha. So you used to be an auctioneer?
Yep. I still am an auctioneer.
Okay. Oh, this is cool.
The wood pieces are in Tarja. A buddy of mine makes these in Vietnam. He makes them in Vietnam. They have all different kinds of animals
Oh, nice.
and stuff. All of the wood. There's no painting or staining. It's all done with different colored wood. Like the yellow is
Yeah.
boxwood and the black.
That's interesting.
The
Since
black is ebony wood. Yeah, I've got so much stuff. I'm actually having a complete estate sale
Oh.
at the end of the month.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get a little jump on it.
Gotcha.
But,
Where'd all these glass cases come from? Sunglass cases and stuff. Storage units?
I've been a picker, yeah.
Okay.
Been a picker all my life. $5 a piece for sunglasses or the.
You have any like video games, comic books?
I got video games. I've got got a whole Nintendo set up.
Oh, okay. I'd be interested in seeing that.
Okay.
Love these little sifters.
Good help is hard to find.
I'm sorry?
I said good help is hard to find.
Yeah, you're
usually when someone says, yeah, 7 o'clock is when you're starting, that's when I'll be there.
Yeah, doesn't work like that.
Hey man, it's 7 o'clock. The console, and I had to buy. Hey, what's up, buddy? There's the console one. I've got 4 more. I had to buy this little setup so I can run off the modern TV.
Anytime that you find an N64, make sure to check the front compartment. Now, this one doesn't have one, but what you're looking for is a red expansion pack. If you do have one, it's an extra 40 or 50 bucks just for the expansion pack. Oh wow, what is this? Games for it? Oh, cool. What are you asking for it? Oh, these are really beat up.
They all work.
Yeah.
I've tested them all. They all work.
What are you asking?
For the console, the controller, all the new things, I'll take 40 bucks.
Does that include, is that with the console and what?
Console on the game.
40 bucks?
Yeah.
Okay. I will do 40 bucks.
And it works. It's just sometimes my kids get it to work.
Yeah, I got you.
Take it out
it's just dirty.
and
I
blow
just
on it and clean it.
Yeah, no problem. I'll clean it up.
Yeah.
That's why I wasn't planning on coming over here yard sailing.
Oh,
I just happened to
okay.
see it. Why, do you have more stuff? Or
I've got 3 more of these somewhere.
Yeah. Do you?
If you swing by here on your way back, I'll give them to you.
Okay. Yeah, because this one's busted.
Find it. Yeah, they were all like that. That was just one. The first one I used, but they all work. So
I did swing by later on, and he did have 1 extra controller for me, so that's definitely a nice pickup. Any other video games, or is this it? Like Game Boy, Sega. Because I said if you had other controllers, there may be more games with that stuff. PlayStation?
And it works. I'm sure the boys just moved on from it.
You don't have any games or anything for this one at all?
I'm sure I do.
No, okay.
I would just have to.
Sorry, I know you're trying to set up and stuff.
Track it down. No, it's fine. The controllers and everything.
So this is actually a PlayStation 2 controller, which is
okay.
So that's a different system
so
too.
I can tell you, and these are
as PS4 games. Let me see.
Dude, I was a single dad.
Yeah,
kid with
I get it, man.
Did you ask if my son skated?
No, but I do like skateboard stuff. While you got.
Yeah, my son was the manager of skate park in Tampa.
Oh wow.
For years.
Do you guys do you have any old like skateboard shirts or like VHS or skateboards?
Yeah.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everybody out there. Do me a favor, make sure you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you like this type of content, please check out this other video we're about to post up here. Until next time, keep picking and punching.